Automotive Excellence with Mendix. I am Ashwini Patil. I lead the Mendix IoT and Cloud Solutions at Prolim. Let's take a quick look at our agenda for the webinar. First, we will start with Automotive Excellence, understanding what is Automotive Excellence and how customers can achieve Automotive Excellence. We will then have a quick overview of Prolim's Mendix competency. Then we will move on to a demo of automotive solutions that Prolim developed for their customers. And finally, we will end with a Q&A session. What is automotive excellence? Automotive excellence is a holistic approach that combines technical expertise, innovation, customer focus, and a commitment to quality and sustainability. It requires a long-term commitment to continuous improvement and dedication to create vehicles that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. How do you achieve automotive excellence? Achieving automotive excellence involves a combination of factors that contribute to the design, manufacturing, performance, safety, and overall quality of vehicles. Let's take a look at some of the steps and considerations to achieve automotive excellence. Research and innovation. Always stay at the forefront of automotive technology and trends through ongoing research and innovation. Continuously invest in research and development to create cutting-edge vehicles. Quality control. Implement stringent quality control processes throughout the manufacturing and assembly of vehicles. This ensures that every vehicle meets highest standard quality and safety. Advanced engineering. Utilize advanced engineering techniques to enhance vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. Design excellence. Focus on both the aesthetic and functional aspects of vehicle design. Well-designed vehicles not only look appealing, but also perform efficiently and ergonomically. Safety. Prioritize safety by incorporating the latest safety features and technologies. Invest in research and development to create vehicles that are safer for both occupants and pedestrians. Sustainability. Develop and promote environmentally friendly technologies such as electric vehicles and hybrid systems to reduce the environmental impact of vehicles. This also includes improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. So, commitment to continuous innovation and improvement within the automotive sector, how Prolim can help you achieve automotive excellence. We have a few solutions that we have developed in order for our customers to look at what are these applications. Vehicle management system manages the lets you manage your innovation portfolio. Design validation automation can automate any validation of designs. The 3D viewer lets users store and visualize 3D files. This 3D viewer solution is also integrated with the PLM product Team Center. Supplier inventory management. This solution helps you manage suppliers, plants, and parts across these plants. Warranty tracker allows you to track warranties. This particular solution was developed for tracking the warranties for vehicle tires, but this can be easily extended to any other system. Approval management system lets you efficiently streamline your approval management process. Configure price quote is a solution that can be used by salespeople to generate accurate quotes quickly while they are at the customer site. Prolim's Mendix competency. Prolim's Mendix competency is driven by the Digital Innovation Center. Digital Innovation Center consists of three pillars: the PLM factory, the cloud factory, and the Mendix factory. The Digital Innovation Center is successful because of the framework that it's built upon: innovation, agile development, fast delivery, and strong project management. We have a large certified Mendix team, which consists of program managers, architects, developers, analysts, and dedicated quality assurance team. We are growing by the day, and our goal is to be 100 plus by the end of this year. Prolim has developed multiple Mendix applications serving different industries. Prolim has been recognized as the Magnificent Partner. We are also an ISV partner, and our plan is to continue developing these apps and reach 200 plus apps by the end of this year. Now we'll move on to a demo of the few of the solutions that we developed for our customers. Let's take a look at vehicle management system. Let's take a look at the solution we developed to automate and integrate vehicle manufacturing operations. We implemented this solution for a large EV manufacturer. Vehicle Management System, VMS, consists of multiple Mendix applications integrated with non-Mendix applications such as MES, SAP, and few more. The VIN generator application integrates with MES application and generates a unique VIN for every vehicle manufactured. The parts tracker application, which manages the parts to vehicle mapping through a QR code scanner. The QA application is integrated with the parts tracker application to receive the information of the vehicles. And once the QA is completed, it sends the data to the OBL application, which is the outbound logistics application. OBL application is used in assignment of the vehicles based on a rules engine to be transported to different state distribution centers. STC application integrates with SAP for the invoicing and tracking of the vehicles and the inventory. In this solution, we also integrate with two non-Mendix applications to ensure delivery of vehicles to customers: OMS application and last mile delivery application. A quick overview of the vehicle parts tracker application: the parts inventory dashboard, VIN inbound tracker, various entities like material master, VIN master, etc., and the Excel importer. Feature. That was the vehicle management system. Moving on to the Idea Exchange for Enterprise. Fascia Idea Exchange for Enterprise. This product allows you to manage your innovation portfolio with efficient idea management. The dashboard is a high-level view of ideas submitted, approved, and implemented. This product is integrated with Teamcenter for design ideas and allows you to view the JD files. The workflow feature represents the various stages of the idea. Let's take a look at the application. Once the user logs in, the dashboard displays the idea submitted, approved, and implemented. The user can submit a new idea related to Teamcenter. User will be directed to Teamcenter, where the user can search for design file and download the JT file. The approver can view the 3D design and approve the idea. Once the idea is approved, the detailed plan is submitted. The implementer is then selected and plan is approved. The idea is now implemented successfully. You can see the activity timeline that tracks every activity performed during various stages. Finally, the idea is marked as completed. For more Mendix solutions, please visit our website at www.prolim.com/mendix/apps. To understand more how Prolim can help you, email us at info@prolim.com. Let's move on to the design validation automation.
Design validation automation. Here is the application architecture, user flow, and high-level scope of design validation automation. Log in with username and password. Navigate to Setting Team Center Configurations. Click on Login to Team Center. This will take you to the login page of Team Center within. On the home page, click on the Team Center icon and it will start listing all the items present. Search for the item vertex, select on Door Panel and click on Render. This will now fetch the door panel assembly from Team Center and push it to Vertex for visualization. Then select the top panel of the door and the top panel clip and click on the camera icon for the snapshot. In Vertex, snapshot is not just a screen grab, but it actually give a reduced BOM in JT format. Click on Home and on the listing below click on View Snapshots. You can click on the top panel clip for item and render to look at the snapshot taken. Go back and now click on Analyze. On click of Analyze, the reduced BOM assemblies are sent to NX for analysis of the clip and the panel hole dimensions. The dimensions are returned back to the Mendix application and based on the rule engine present in Mendix, clip and hole validation is done. Then results of pass and fail are populated, which can be viewed by clicking on View Results for each reduced assembly. Earlier, for this kind of small door panel validation used to take about 2 hours at least. In this POC it takes about 12 minutes overall.
Let's take a look at the 3D Viewer application. The 3D Viewer application is a lightweight visualizer that lets the end user upload, store, operate, and visualize the 3D JT files and 2D drawing files. The user can open the model and rotate, pan, and zoom the model to see the details. The section view provides a view from various angles. User can see the hierarchical tree view of the items that form a model. Toggling the tree node allows the end user to control which model parts are loaded into the viewer. The user can delete, add, and clear section planes to the model on desired direction axis. Markup feature allows user to create a 2D markup on a model, annotate, draw, or add a comment, and save the annotated screenshot. The toolbar item selection mode provides the ability to select a model, part, edge, face, and body. Moving on to the supplier inventory management. Supplier inventory management system allows the user to manage suppliers, plants, and parts. Approval is required for any change to supplier, plant, or parts. Templates can be used for bulk uploads. This solution integrates with Power BI for the dashboard. Let's take a look at the application. Here are the various entities for supplier, employee, external user, plant, and parts. Let's add a new supplier, assign the plant and part. We can download supplier-specific templates for bulk upload, update the data, and import it back into the system. The approver can approve or reject parts on this dashboard. Here, the user can check and update the stock for parts at different plants. The Power BI dashboard shows various counts, such as counts of parts assigned to suppliers and count of parts by plants. Let's take a look at the warranty tracking application. Warranty Tracker application allows users to add tire claims. User provides the tire details and submits the claim. User can add multiple claims in one request. The dashboard shows the list of claims where the approver can approve or reject claims. The approver can delegate approval to someone else for specific dates. Let's take a look at the application. The user selects the department, adds the vehicle and tire details. User adds the second tire and submits for approval. Solution allows for multiple levels of approvals. Here is the delegation feature. For more Mendix Solutions, please visit our website at www.prolim.com/mendix/apps. To understand more how Prolim can help you, email us at info@prolim.com. Next is the Approval Management System. Approval Management System. This solution can be used for different types of approvals, such as reimbursement or specific types of payments. It allows for up to 7 levels of approval. An email is triggered for every request. The approver can approve, reject, or revert directly from the link in the email. The approver can delegate approval authority to a specific person for specific dates. An automated email reminder is sent on a daily basis for pending approvals. The dashboard shows the pending approvals for each approver. Let's take a quick look at the application. Team approvals is a feature where approval can be sent to a team instead of a specific individual. Let's create a new approval. Add all the details. Attach any documents needed for approval. Select the approvers and submit. Here is the delegation form. Let's take a look at the dashboard, which shows all pending approvals for every approver. You can click on any one to see the details. The dashboard also shows requests created by the specific user. Let's take a look at CPQ.
CPQ, Configure Price Quote, is a tool used by sales representatives to quickly and accurately generate quotes for specific orders, along with a complete pricing proposal real-time within minutes. This solution is available in various versions, browser, mobile, and tablet, and can be accessed from anywhere. Sales representative will input customized specifications of the product, quantities, and the optional features as input and generate an optimized proposal based on the selected parameters. This solution is developed using Mendix in context of an industrial refrigeration system, but can easily extend to any other products. This form captures customer details such as customer name, location, and delivery date. Second section captures the system details. In the case of refrigeration systems, it captures parameters like ambient temperature, relative humidity, and target load. Additional details are captured in the bottom section, such as compressor manufacturer, voltage frequency, and others. The sales executive can also optimize the current proposal based on the following parameters: cost, lead time, and horsepower. This application integrates with Teamcenter and automates the generation of the proposal that includes the specifications of the finalized requirements, the pricing policies of the components, discounts involved, the 3D images of the components and the product. As you have seen, CPQ by Prolim is a great sales tool to generate accurate pricing proposals real-time within minutes.
The CPQ implementation we just saw is with respect to refrigeration systems, but can very easily be extended to any vehicle part or any other automotive system. Now we will open up for Q&A. Open for any questions or comments you might have.